Hello, all. Welcome to Study Table. Our today's topic is steps in production planning and control. Firstly, let's understand what is production. So, basically, it is a sequence of operations that transform or convert input, that is raw material, into desired form of output, that is finished goods. Okay? Then, what is production planning? So it means deciding in advance relating to production activities. Generally, deciding what to produce, how much to produce, when to produce, who is responsible for production and all. Okay? Then what is production control? So it involves monitoring actual production, comparing with the target one, and then taking timely corrective actions if necessary. Simple? So now let's move on to the steps. The very first step is routine. Production planning and control starts with routine. It is the process of deciding the path of work and the sequence of operations. Basically, deciding the lot size, deciding about the quality, deciding about the quantity of raw materials required, what and how much to make exactly. The main objective of routine is to find out the best and cheapest sequence of operation to be followed. While manufacturing, it ensures smooth flow of work. Okay? Then, the second step after routine is loading. It means determining the total time required to perform the specific operation. It leads to preparation of a tabulated list or a chart showing the planned utilization of the machines or workstations. Means, in loading step, we got to know or we compute the total operation time required for various production activities. Okay? Then we can move to the third step, which is scheduling. Scheduling leads to preparation of timetable basically. Firstly, listing out all the production activities to be performed, then deciding the start time, deciding the finish time for each and every production activity. As you all can see on the screen, how scheduling is to be done. It can be prepared on daily basis, weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis. Now, the next step after scheduling is dispatching. After preparation of a proper timetable, now it's time to assign the work, give orders and instructions to the machine operators. This is called dispatching. The main objective is to ensure that the workers clearly understand what is expected from them and by what time they must complete the work. Okay? Then we have follow up in the list. Well, follow up is the main function of production control, which involves measuring actual production, then comparing actual production with the planned one. If any difference or deviation is found or noticed, then identifying the reasons or causes for the same. Then accordingly finding out the corrective measures, analyzing it, selecting the best measure, implementing it, then review it. So this is how reporting and monitoring of actual production performance is done in follow-up stage. Okay? And the very last step is replanning. Sometimes in manufacturing units, replanning is often required. It involves revising the routes, loads, scheduling and all. Replanning is needed sometime because of changes in the market conditions, changes in production process, changes in sudden shift of customer preferences, and many more factors like that, which affect the production. Okay? So this is the overall steps in production planning and control, which ensures the smooth flow of production. ensuring the right quality and quantity of a product at the right time in the market. So for now, we'll stop here. Hope you all understand the topic well. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new concept. Till then, Study Table wishes you all the very best.